The year the 350 drops continue. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Moises. Welcome back to the channel. And today, got another unboxing for you guys and review. And we're gonna be reviewing the 350 Zebra V2.
Birkin, on the gram, she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking. That fat for certain. Let me see you poke it up. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see what that's about. Let me see it. Let me see it.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you could just do me a solid, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, so when I drop new content, you'll be the first to know. So today, we're gonna be getting into the 350 Zebra V2 Yeezys. So these originally dropped February of 2017. They were restocked back in 2018. These are the 2018 pair. This is when I got my first pair. I still haven't even rocked these yet. So as you guys know, we had the blue tint this year, we had the royal blue this year, we had the Oreo this year, and now these are slated to drop April 9th. Retail is going to be about $230, $10 up from what it was originally. As far as the making of the shoe goes, guys, I'm not sure if it's going to be recycled material. I'm not too sure about that, but make sure you get your raffles in on confirmed. So I'm going to start off with the top of the box. You have your 350, then you have your SKU with your size, then you have your boost on one side, and then on the other end of the box you have your 350 Yeezy made by Adidas. So let's get these bad boys open. Now, just to let you guys know, this is my favorite pair of the Yeezy 350. This and the frozen yellow, I think, in my opinion, I think are the best silhouettes in this line. I know some people might not agree, but that's just my opinion. I think these are room stoppers when you put them on and you walk into a room. So let's start from the bottom. We have the exposed white. Then we have the Yeezy 350 Boost, which is, you know, makes the shoe very comfortable, which the 350 model is very known for. Then making your way up to the top of the shoe, you had the Zebra Prime Knit, and this really sets the shoe off, man. It sets it alone from all of the other 350s, in my opinion. Then you have your white stripe going across with the 350 sply, and then you got your pull tab in the back for the people that love the pull tab on the 350s. And then you have your white laces. Don't remember if I got these off of Confirmed or not. I want to say I got these off of Foot Locker. I'm not too sure, so I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys. But let me know if this is going to be a cop or drop for you guys. Going back to the sole, I remember the original pair did have like a yellow hint to it. But these, on the restock when I first copped them, as you can see, they don't have that yellow hint to it. Thank God, because I think the yellow hint kind of makes it look dingy. Just doesn't make it look clean. That's it for today, guys. Appreciate you. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and get part of the La Familia gang. It's your boy Moises, and I will be back with another one. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. The description will be below for all of your how to style tips, and so you can see the outfits that I put together with the reviews of the sneakers that I do. But that's it for today, guys. Appreciate you. Y'all have a solid one.
She want that Birkin, on the gram, she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking. That fat for certain. Let me see you poke it up. Let me see it. Let me see what that's about.